First thing you do is you open Termux. And you type in ZWMC. This is assuming you've installed it. And here it shows you all of the command line options you can use. You can also type in ZWMC-H and you'll get a shorter version. Now what we want to do is we want to go into our movies folder. That's it, /storage /emulated /0 /movies on most Android devices. I'm going to pick a video. Put it in my video drop folder. Then I'm going to go back to Termux. I'm going to type ZWMC and let's see what we got for choices. I'm going to type in -Y. That will skip the prompt and start compressing automatically. -D will check and upgrade dependencies. You should run this on the first install. For resolution, I'm going to pick a low one so it'll be quick. 160. For output FPS, I'm going to pick 15. For max video bitrate, I'll say 256. -B 256. Audio bitrate -A. I'll call that 64 kilobits per second. Preset. I want it to look really good, so I'm going to use preset 0. Actually, I want it to go fast, so I'll do preset 6. It goes from 0 to 8, 8 being the fastest. And I'm not going to use a video encoding profile. I'm not going to install or uninstall or anything like that. And that should be it. It should automatically start encoding with a resolution of 160p, 15 frames per second, 256 kilobits per second for the video, 64 kilobits per second for the audio. That's X265 and Opus. And then an encoder of pretty fast. I don't know what the actual term is. So hit enter. Look how fast that's going. 3x speed. That's faster than recording. Let's see how long the original video is. Open it in VLC. Oh, it's gone. Am I done? Oh, it's done. Look at that. And you have 151.66 kilobits per second. That's amazing. So here it is right here.
Really, this is the system I frequently take out with me on the go. I wanted a replacement for emulation on my phone because of the lack of tactility, and this was it. I also don't usually want to take out my shockingly bad. I've played on a lot of different controllers and handhelds, but I've never seen a D-pad only register QCF2 player side. I bought this to play the 5.
And that's how easy it is to use Ziggle Wump Media Compressor for Termux.